Book of Heaven, Volume 12, May 24th, 1920. The acts done in the divine will be the defenders of the divine throne, not only in the present time, but until the end of the centuries. Continuing in my usual state, my always lovable Jesus told me,
"My daughter, the acts done in my will leave the human acts behind, and identifying themselves with my divine acts, they rise up, even into heaven, circulate in everyone, embrace all centuries, all points, and all creatures. And since they remain fixed in my will, these acts are and will be the defenders of my throne for each offense which creatures give me, not only in the present time, but until the end of the centuries. And rising to my defense, they will make the reparations counter to the offenses that creatures will give. The acts done in my will have the virtue of multiplying themselves according to the need and the circumstances which my glory requires. What will be the happiness of the soul when she finds herself up there in heaven and sees her acts done in my will as defenders of my throne, which, having a continuous echo of reparation, will reject the echo of the offenses that comes from the earth. Therefore, for the soul who lives in my will on earth, her glory in heaven will be different from that of the other blessed. The others will draw all their contentments from me, while these souls will not only draw them from me, but will have their own little rivers within my own sea, since by living in my volition, they themselves formed them on earth within my sea. It is right that they have the little rivers of happiness and of contentments in heaven. How beautiful are these rivers within my sea! They pour into me, and I into them. It will be an enchanting sight, at which all the blessed will remain astounded."
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus' lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring His kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.